Oh yeah, beautiful things are about to happen. Beauty. Stay legal. And that's it. Anti-death strap number 1. Anti-death strap number 2. Legs, center, chest, helmet. Grab this bad boy over the arm. And we'll go and see if I'm flexible enough to get to my switch. Which tonight I am. Clear prop. That bugger's got to warm up, eh? 7:16. Just a little more than 10 minutes till actual sunset. Door, road, brake, clear the pulley, clear the pulley. Reach around and grab the old A's. Give that bump test. Alright, let's get airborne.
That cloud layer is awesome. I just want to get above it, but I don't know. I got a pretty tight time frame tonight. I don't think I'm going to make it quite there. Wow.
Shit. That was an engine out, everybody. Try to restart again here. Nope. Ain't gonna happen. It can happen at any moment. Trims are in, leg straps are good. Man, yeah. So, engine out, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I make it. Holy shit, I made it back. Oh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Well, that was exciting. Up. Arrgh, that be the culprit, me matey. Right there. Right when I thought I had her on. I hope that's the... Yeah, that has to be the culprit. There's no way it's anything else. Let me get my wing off the frickin' runway. Woo! Well... At least I know I'm great at spotting my glide. Oh, shit. That was absolutely... I can't say that was terrifying. I had that. It was exciting. It was very exciting. Whew. Now I'm just imagining the prop spinning around when I'm trying to start it batting that thing like pop, 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 pop. Oh, that new meme though. Oh. I'm glad that I was climbing for the duration of that. That was... and that I held a kind of a rectangular pattern around this place. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, what first? Wing. Let's get that out of here. I'm going to call that enough excitement for one night. Certainly. Get this jacket off me because it's warm. Well, it was a pretty flight until it became an exciting flight. I'd rather have a pretty flight than an exciting flight, wouldn't we all? Man. I was really happy I didn't set it down somewhere ridiculously far away. Because I did look right below me. I was like, I can do that. And then I looked at the glider for it and I was like, I can do that. So I just sent it. I think the nitro is still trusty. That was definitely, something that could have been better caught in the pre-flight. I don't know. I did check it, but I didn't, go over it real well. I don't know. It's definitely on my list now to, really make sure it's on. Could I break out the super glue? Well, yeah, I got my risers back now. I got a bag for these. It's a pretty bag. It's red. Well, I guess I'm truly welcome to paramotoring now. I think that's my official, rite of passage is having an engine out. Are you even a paramotor pilot until you've had one? And saved it? Let's be real. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest. I don't have that song downloaded, but Tucker's Got videos kind of stay in memory, don't they? Was that his 2016 wrap-up video? I think it was. Done. Okay. Let's see if she fires up. I'd like no other issues. Okay. So, no way I could have really hit that. I'm gonna just fucking push it on there. Ooh, shit. And get her on the back. Yo. Just so the straps don't get sucked into the prop. With my luck, tonight, everything's gonna get buckled back up. Alright. Throttle in hand. Over the arm. Everything's strapped up. I'm gonna get that master switch. And clear prop. And all is good in the world. Wow. Well, yeah, that's that, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I think with that, everyone, I'm gonna end this one.